Hey guys, I'm back with another episode of my 1977 Dodge D200 restoration project update video. I did a lot of framework today. I obviously took the bed off a couple months ago, and I finally got to painting it, and I did a few other things to it, but which I'll show you later in the video. Make sure you please like this video, subscribe, and click the notification bell to know when I upload any other videos on this project. Here is the final result of or not quite final, but I did basically the final coat on the outside of the frame on the back underneath the bed. It looks really good. I picked the machinery gray color to put on it. I did not paint inside of the frame. It's a C-style frame painting on it, so you can see where I sort of did a few spots. I did over the hump and all the way back, but I have not finished cleaning up in there as I ripped out fuel lines, brake lines, and a lot of wiring. There's some mismatched wiring, which I'll show you in a few minutes here, that was all over the place. But I have to disconnect the or I should try to get the actual emergency brake to kind of work here, because it's hanging down and kind of in the way. But I got a lot cleaned up. You can see where I did inside the frame here. Looks a lot better. There's a lot of pitting inside here. So I was able to get the bumper back on today. I missed a spot on the bumper, which I can see right now. But otherwise, it looks really good overall. But I guess I can show you the wiring another day. I'll just get all the wiring parts together and we'll make a video out of it. But that kind of wraps it for today's video. Make sure you like this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and enjoy the rest of your day.